Okay, so right now got the 7200. We're shooting the moon. Now I want to show you something. I don't know if you can see the settings, but currently we're shooting on JPEG. Alright, and then what I'm gonna do there, I'm gonna do APS-C mode. After that I'm going to clear picture. We're gonna zoom in even more on the moon. Right now I just want to adjust it a little bit. I'm gonna get focus. I actually want to get manual focus on this one. Right, and then we're gonna take 9 consecutive photos. So I've got 72-200, shooting at 200, enable APS-C mode, and then also enable perfect zoom, which is a digital zoom. Now I'm going to deactivate the perfect zoom and just use APS-C mode. Just dial in the focus again. Take 9 more pictures. So now it's just APS-C mode of 200 millimeters. And then I already took some pictures just at 200. I'm shooting at 1/500 shutter speed, f5.6, ISO 50. Now let's go compare those pictures.